we're unboxing the Beginner Brow Lamination and Tint Kit, your all-in-one set for learning how to offer one of the most in-demand brow services in the beauty industry. Every kit also comes with free online training, and you'll find a QR code right on top of the box with a link and a class code to access the course at no cost. As soon as you open the box, everything is neatly packed inside the sturdy pink storage bag. Perfect for keeping your brow products clean, organized, and ready for client appointments. First, we have the bonding gel, used to gently secure the client's brows in place so you can begin shaping with precision. Next is the lifting lotion, designed to soften the brow hairs and allow them to be molded into that lifted, fluffy brow look clients love. Then we have the fixing lotion, which locks in the new brow shape for long-lasting definition. To finish the lamination, the kit includes a nourishing brow serum that conditions the hairs and leaves them feeling soft and healthy. You'll also find a pair of brow scissors, great for trimming any longer, unruly hairs after the lamination is set. Along with that comes a pair of tweezers for removing stray hairs and perfecting the brow outline. Next is the tint developer, used to activate your brow tint. And here's your brown tint, ideal for enhancing the freshly laminated brows with added depth and color. The kit includes petroleum jelly, which works as a protective barrier for the skin around the brows during tinting. You'll also get cleanser pads to remove each lotion as you move through the steps of the service. Here's a pack of 10 Y brushes, essential for shaping and guiding the brows during the initial stages of lamination. You'll find silicone mascara brushes, perfect for combing brow hairs into the direction you want them to set. The kit also includes flocked applicators, great for applying your lotions smoothly and evenly. And for more detailed, precise application, you'll have micro swabs as another option. The silicone mixing palette gives you multiple wells to hold your lamination lotions and tint during the service, keeping everything clean and separated. A tint brush is also included for applying tint with accuracy and control. You'll also find simplified step-by-step instructions. These are a quick reference guide, but not a replacement for your full professional training. And finally, you get a counter display to promote brow lamination to your clients, making it easier to introduce this new service and boost add-on revenue. Please note that the color of the disposable tools may vary. This kit includes everything you need to confidently learn and perform a brow lamination service. Pick up your kit today and start offering your clients beautiful lifted brows they will love.